జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. And there they have seen one huge body with big stomach and asirogrivam kabandham udare mukham. There is no head to that body, there is no neck to that body, but the mouth is there in the stomach to that body, and the entire body has so much of hair, very black body and looking so fearful. That body is now making huge sound, and eyebrows are there at the chest part of that body, and then only one eye is there, big mouth, and with tongue he is licking his lips, and that body has very long hands, very long shoulders. With that long shoulders he is grabbing all the elephants, lions and all wild animals, and he is eating away those animals. Like that body, now he has seen Rama and Lakshmana with his long shoulders. He brought Rama Lakshmana together and holding tightly. When that happened, Rama immediately tatra dhairyena surastu raghavo naiva vivyadhe. Rama, while bringing all of his strength back, he is not getting scared at all. But at that moment, Lakshmana was not so strong. He started getting shaken, and that tight grip of Rakshasa, Lakshmana was unable to relieve from that, and he is suffering from that pain. He is slowly saying to Rama, "Oh Rama, it looks like I cannot get out from this grip. Now you slowly get relieved from this grip and let me be here. Mam hi bhuta balim datva palayisvayadha sukham." Just offer me to this Rakshasa as a bali, and now you get away from this grip and you go back. Soon you will find Sitamma. With Sitamma you go back to Ayodhya, start ruling the kingdom, start enjoying the kingdom pleasures and comforts. But Rama, please do not forget me. Like this, Lakshmana started saying words to Rama, and Rama says that, "Oh Lakshmana, don't say like that. Do not get scared. Come on, be strong. I am here." Especially in this kind of tough situations, you cannot go weak. Come on, become strong. Like that Rama saying to Lakshmana. Rama and Lakshmana is in the custody of Kabandha. Kabandha is asking, "Kauyuvam, who are you?" Vrishabhaskandhau, you are with strong shoulders. Kauyuvam, who are you? Mahakhadga dhanurdharau, you are carrying such a big swords and bows. Kauyuvam, who are you? Now you are going to be food for me. Why are you here? Why did you come here? Imam desam anupraptau ksudhardhasyeha tishtataha. I am very much hungry now. I am craving for food. Right on time, you are here to quench my hungry. You cannot be alive anymore. Like that Kabandha is saying to Rama and Lakshmana. When Kabandha said like that, Rama also started getting scared. Rama's throat getting totally dried. Then Rama saying to Lakshmana, "Lakshmana, first I lost my kingdom. Then I came into forest. Then I lost my Sita. Kruchrat kruchrataram prapya." One after one troubles are coming to me. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.